This is Laura at SkipperBud's in Marblehead, Ohio, and we are looking at a new 2023 Aviara 32. It has the black and light gray hull. This is stock number AV20033. It's powered with twin Elmore 6.2 liter engines, and we can see we have a submergible swim platform. Also has the quick release fender clips, very nice and convenient, and we can see all of the finishings. It's got the nice black satin metal accents. It has the light gray cool feel vinyl, which is very nice. Even in the hot sun, it still feels cool to the touch, and it's very soft. We've got our controls at the transom going in for the swim platform, and then also our lights, our accent lights as well. And we've got storage on the walkway going through for our fenders. We have a nice galley set up. We've got a cooler, a sink, fridge, all of that stuff. We have a nice folding teak table as well. Everything is really nicely laid out at the helm. We have our recessed cup holders down below that are cooled, joystick docking controls, auto heading, autopilot, everything we have. Everything is very intuitive, and everything is just at a touch of a button. You have easy access. It's very clean where the dash is just laid out. It has the auto glide automatic trim tabs. This is the ultimate day boat. If you are looking for quality, luxury, and performance, you definitely need to consider this boat. It has a very large head, lots of room, and then lots of storage space down below as well. Walk through and window so you can have some protection from wind. We've got our filler cushion in there, but that can also be removed. And there is a table there as well. We've got our windlass, and I can't say enough how much I'm always impressed by Aviara's finishings and their attention to detail. A USB port there, as well as that nice accent lighting, and we have the upgraded sound system on this boat. If you'd like more information on this, please give us a call. We'd love to help get you on the water.